This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. As some of you know, I've been working through a 50-pound bag of onions, which I paid $7.98. It was so cheap I bought the big bag. So I'm down to the last onion in the bag. So you think I might be celebrating by eating the last onion? Still pretty good. So it's a good idea to put the onions in the fridge. So the ones I put in the fridge are still pretty fresh after 6 weeks. But it's actually not the case. This is my last onion in this bag. Because I bought another bag here. So this is $8.98 for 50 pounds. $1 more per bag. So today we're going to do another recipe. We're doing onions and mushrooms stir fry. We're going to add a little butter. One of my viewers suggested this recipe. So we're going to do this recipe, and it's going to be simple but delicious.
Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese Cooking Accessory Guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use.
So I got the wok going at medium heat. So I'm going to put about 3 or 4 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. So I'm using corn oil. You can use other kind of oils like peanut oil or canola oil. That's right. So I'm going to put about a tablespoon of chopped ginger, a tablespoon of chopped garlic. I have this already cut up. So just for about 30 seconds I'm going to put the onions in. So I got about 5 or 6 small onions here. I used about 3 medium-sized onions. So let's give it a good stir fry. So this will caramelize the onion even more. So it's really nice color now. I'm going to put the mushrooms down. You have maybe a cup of mushroom or however much you have there. So I'm just going to give that a good sear. A little more oil here is nice. We could have seared the mushrooms first or put it all together, but I like to have the onions because it's an aromatic to go with the ginger and garlic. So aromatics bring out lots of flavor when you put heat to it. So now you can just mix it up. So if you're not comfortable cooking with high heat, you can cook at a lower temperature, like medium. But I like to cook at high heat. Gives a good sear to all the food. I'll put a bit of salt in there. This is natural sea salt. So just put maybe a half a teaspoon in there. We put a bit of regular soy sauce. This is the light soy sauce. Put a tablespoon in there. Put some sesame oil, a teaspoon. So this is real sesame oil, not vegetable oil flavored sesame oil. So I could have put the butter in earlier just to cook the onions, but I'm going to put the butter in last so you get full flavor of the butter. I'm going to turn the heat back down to low because butter sometimes burns. So just put it low so you get the butter flavor in there. So that goes in last. Ooh, this is going to be good. This is good. Ooh, look at the butter. You can actually not see it, but you can kind of feel it. You can see the butter permeate into the onions. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh.
There's lots of butter in there, and with the mushrooms and the onions, lots of onions. I can almost taste that in my mouth. The butter nicely coats the mushroom and the onions. Really good. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are always welcome. Take care and stay safe.